Hi. So it's 8:04 and we're driving looking to the north. Papunta na namin ng Pampanga. Doon kami sa van. So pinick up na kami na ni Mama at your dad. Ayun. So time check 8:42. So it's been 40 minutes from the time that we departed from Alabang. Hindi gumagana yung utak ko. Pero nandito na tayo sa NLEX. So mag-grab muna tayo ng something to eat for breakfast before dumiretso tayo doon just to fuel up. Kain muna tayo. Just gonna buy some water for the road before we pack up to the zoo. So it's still like an hour drive from here. Sponge, okay. An hour drive from here to Pampanga. So kailangan natin na may ilaw. Ayun lang. Tama. Sorry. Dito na tayo sa loob ng Clark Safari. Yung entrance fee dito is $599 kapag adult, tapos $499 kapag kids. Tapos how to measure would be depending on your height. Kapag 4 feet below ata counted as kids pa. So kasama namin si Misha, so nakadepend kami ng isa kasi isang bata. Ayun lang. So yan, explore na natin siya. Ayan, so one thing to note about Clark Safari is wala silang map. So that means self-guided siya. Pagpasok mo, bahala ka. Wala talaga silang way kung paano mo i-explore yung place. So kahit saan ka pumunta, okay. The other one is pregnant. Kaya step siguro, kung mainit dito, so magdala kayo ng umbrella. Tapos make sure to bring your sunscreen din kasi mainit talaga, like legit. Pawis na ako. Unfortunately, umulan. Like, we're stuck here kasi naulan. So, ayun. Papatila lang tayo ng ulan. Pwede pala kayong magpa-picture dito or magpa-tiger feeding. Tiger feeding ang rate is 800 pesos. Good for 8 packs na group. Tapos, yung printing ng pictures is 200 pesos per printout. Nakakuha kami ng freebie kay ate kasi we took 5. So, savings. Ayun lang. Tayo kasi umulan ng malala. Kaya hindi na natin tatapusin yung mga bagay-bagay doon. So we're just gonna go back home. Ayun. Pero so far, it was a good experience. Masaya. Okay naman siya. Nakapagod. Sobra. Walang tabako. It looks so big niya.